Hi students, let's start with exercise 3.3. Before going to 3.3, I would like to explain you two very important definitions. What is a transpose of a matrix? And the definitions related to transpose of a matrix, which are very important for this exercise. Okay, look here, and the properties also. Transpose of a matrix means a matrix that obtained after alternating the rows and columns. After alternating the elements of the rows and columns, that means the rows will become the columns and columns will become rows. Just you need to interchange. You can also use the word interchange by interchanging the word elements of rows and columns. Suppose if a matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. It is a 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns. A transpose, you can write like this or you can write A dash. Both are A transpose. Is given by the rows become columns and the columns become rows and the rows become columns. See, 1, 2, this row became column, 3, 4 and 5, 6. And here it became 2 rows and 3 columns. So the elements will interchange. The elements of the rows will become the elements of the columns. And the elements of the columns will become elements of the rows. This is called transpose of a matrix. One more example. Suppose example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So A transpose will be, this is a 3 by 1 matrix. 1, 2, 3. It becomes 1 by 3. Okay. So if in square matrix, suppose if it is A is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is A transpose? It becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. The rows becomes columns and the columns becomes rows. Okay. Look here. What is a symmetric matrix and what is a skew symmetric matrix? Let us write the definition. A square matrix. First of all, for both the matrices, it should be a square matrix. Square matrix means where the number of rows and the number of columns are same. A square matrix is said to be a symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix. What is the condition? Is said to be symmetric, is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to A again. That means even if you interchange the rows and columns, you will get the same matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4. What is A transpose? Let us write the row with column. See, it should be a square matrix always. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 4. That's it. Even A transpose is the same. Okay, understand? It happens even in the case of 3 by 3 matrix. For example, I will give an example of 3 by 3 also. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Let us take A transpose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. See, the rows I wrote as columns and the columns I wrote as, but I got the same thing. So A transpose is equal to A. So what is the logic writing in this? I'll tell you. We'll take this later. The logic in writing this, for example, if you want to write a 2 by 2 symmetric matrix, first write down these two, any numbers you write. But these two should be same. If you write 2 here, it should be 2. If you write 0 here, it should be 0. One more example. When you take A transpose, it becomes 1, 0, 0, 4. One more example. If you take, first write out these elements, any numbers you can write. It can be negative numbers also. If you, whatever you take numbers, minus 2, 3, write the same numbers here. Minus 2, 3, minus 2, here and here. And here if you take 5, it should be 5. Now if you take the transpose, you will get the same thing. Check it. 1, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4. See, that is the easy way to write, to give an example of a symmetric matrix. Now, what is a skew symmetric matrix? Now look here. A square matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus A again. Example, it should be a square matrix. Here the logic is these should be 0. That means the principal diagonal element should be 0 when you take an example. Then only you will get a skew symmetric matrix. If you take some element here it should be the negative of the same element. See what is A transpose here? 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Take minus common outside. 0, 2. When you are taking minus common, it should be from all the elements. Minus 2, 2. You get minus A. Is it right? So in the same way, suppose for example, if you want to give a 3 by 3 matrix example, first write down these 3 as zeros to give an example. What are the numbers you take? 2, minus 3, 5 right here. Change the symbols and write down here. Minus 2, 3. If you take 5 here, it should be minus 5 here. This is A. What is A transpose? Write down the rows as columns. 0, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 5, 3, minus 5, 0. Now take minus common from all the elements. It becomes 0, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 5, 3, minus 5, 0. And it becomes minus A. If you check, you will get the same. See, a square matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A. And this is the way to take an example. Right? See, now let us write some properties of a transpose of a matrix. The property says, when you take A transpose, the rows and columns will be interchanged. When you take double transpose, you will get the same matrix. Is it right? See, once the rows will become column become rows. Again, the column become rows and the row become column. So you will get the same matrix itself. So this is the thing. Now, when you take a product of a matrix and whole transpose, the answer will be B transpose A. This is one of the property. You can take one example and you can prove left hand side, right hand side, both the things. Okay. Now, the very important thing, we can prove this also. That is, every matrix can be expressed as every matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. How? I'll explain you how it can be done. Suppose if you take a matrix A, I'll prove that there are two matrices. One will be symmetric and one will be a skew symmetric. I'll prove how I did. Take A as a matrix, square matrix. 1 by 2 of 2A can I write? So you can write 1 by 2 of A plus A. Now you can take 1 by 2 of add A transpose and subtract A transpose. Now it becomes A plus A transpose by 2, A minus A transpose by 2. You can write. I take one as P and the other one as Q. Now I wrote a matrix like sum of two matrices. So what I want to prove? One is a symmetric and the other one is a skew symmetric. I want to prove. How I prove I will tell you. So I will prove P transpose as a symmetric. How? Take P transpose is A plus A transpose by 2 whole transpose. Send transpose inside. A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose by 2. It becomes A transpose plus A by 2. This is nothing but P. So P transpose equal to P, you got it. It means P is a symmetry. Now take Q transpose. What is Q? A minus A transpose by 2 whole transpose. Q is this. Now it becomes A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose by 2. It becomes A transpose minus A by 2. Now take minus common. It becomes A minus A transpose by 2. It is nothing but minus Q. So Q transpose is minus Q. So what you can conclude? Q is a skew symmetric. That means if you are asked to find out or to show every matrix to express as if you are asked to express any matrix to express as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, the symmetric matrix will be A plus A transpose by 2 and skew symmetric matrix will be A minus A transpose by 2. Okay? Any doubt? Please be, this is very important proof also for 2 marks question. Okay? I'll write this now. Let's go to the exercise. See, let us start exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3, the first question. You are just asked to find out the transpose. The matrix A is 5 1 by 2 minus 1. What is A transpose? 5 1 by 2 minus 1. That's it. Second one, A is 1 minus 1 2 3. What is A transpose? Just interchange the rows. 1 minus 1 2 3. Third question, A is minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. A transpose will be just interchange the rows. Two columns, minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. Okay. Next question. See the second question, you are asked to check. You are given two matrices, two square matrices, and you are asked to check. A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Let us check. LHS. First of all, find A plus B. Let us do directly. Minus 5, 3, minus 2. You just need to add the corresponding element. 6, 9, 9, 3, 2, 2. Now A plus B whole transpose is equal to minus 5, 3, minus 2, 6, 9, 9, 3, 2, 2. Now take, what is A transpose? Write down A transpose. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, minus 1, 1. Now B transpose. Minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Just write the rows and columns, interchange. Now A transpose plus B transpose is, just add them, minus 5, 6, 3, 3, 9, 2, minus 2, 9, 2. See, you will get the same thing. So, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. The same way you can do for A minus B whole transpose also. Okay. See, in the third question also you are asked to check both. Here we do A minus B whole transpose. Okay. But before that, see the question. A transpose is given, then write A first. 3 minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1. B is given, then write B transpose also. Okay. Minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now A minus B. First find out LHS. What is A minus B? This minus this. You will get 4, minus 3, minus 1, 3, 0, minus 2. Now A minus B whole transpose will be 4, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now go for RHS. A transpose minus B transpose. So this minus this. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 3, 0. Minus 1, minus 2. So both are same. Like that you can verify. See, in the fourth question you are given A transpose and B. We are asked to find out this. First, after finding A transpose, looking at A transpose, let us find out A. Minus 2, 3, 1, 2. Now find A plus 2B. That is minus 2, 1, 3, 2. 2B. 2B means you multiply the whole matrix with 2. Minus 2, 0, 2, 4. Now add. Minus 2, minus 4, 1, 5, 6. Now you are asked to find out A plus B whole transpose. Just like the transpose of this, minus 4, 1, 5, 6. Okay. See, in the fifth question, you are given matrices like this and we are asked to verify this. Okay, let us see. First LHS, for LHS we need to multiply AB. See, this is a 3 by 1 matrix and this is a 1 by 3 matrix. When you multiply A and B, 1 by 3 and 3 by 1, you will get a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us multiply. Row and column, 1 into minus 1, over. Next 1 into 2, 1 into 1. Next minus 4 into minus 1, minus 4 into 2, minus 4 into 1, 3 into minus 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 1, 3. Okay, this is AB. What is AB transpose? Minus 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3. Let us check. Now, you multiply B transpose and into A transpose. Okay. What is B transpose? Minus 1, 2, 1. And A transpose is 1, minus 4, 3. See, this order is very, very important. Now, this also 3 by 1 matrix and 1 by 3 matrix. Let us multiply. So it becomes, you will get a 3 by 3 matrix. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into minus 4, minus 8, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into minus 4, 1 into 3. See, these two are same. Like that you can do for the next problem also. Okay, look here. You are given a matrix A here and you are asked to check A into A. Okay, let us start. A into A transpose. A is this cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, and transpose of this cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Let us multiply this. This row into column. Cos into cos. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Now this into this. Minus cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. Now this into this. Minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha. Now this into this. The row into column. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Now these two gets cancelled. These two gets cancelled. Become 1 0 0 1, which is nothing but identity matrix. Like that you can do for the next problem also. See, in the 7th question, you are asked to just show that the given matrix are symmetric. You just take the transpose. If you get the same matrix, you write symmetric, or otherwise not symmetric. If you get negative of a same matrix, then this is skew symmetric, or otherwise not skew symmetric. Okay, like that you can do 7th problem. 8th problem also you can verify. You are asked to verify. Find A plus A transpose and check whether it is a symmetric or not. Okay, let us verify this. 8th one. So you are given A 1 5 6 7. So let us take A plus A transpose. 1 5 6 7 plus, let us take this as P. 1 5 6 7 transpose. It becomes 2 11 11 14. Now what is P transpose? 2 11 11 14. It is P. So P is a symmetric. So this is a symmetric. In the same way, let us take Q. A minus A transpose. 1 5 6 7 minus 1 5 6 7 here. Transpose of a matrix. 0 minus 1 0. Take minus common. This is Q. Let us check Q transpose. 0, sorry, it is 1. 0 minus 1, 1 0. Take minus common, we will get 0 1 minus 1 0. So it is nothing but minus Q. So Q is a skew symmetric. Okay. See, in the 9th question, you are given matrix and you are asked to just to find A plus A transpose by 2 and A minus A. You can do directly, just adding. Okay. 10th one, there are some 4 questions they have given and we are asked to express each matrix as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. So I do 2 problems. A, suppose if it is given 3 5 1 minus 1 and we are asked to express this matrix as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. P plus Q. A is equal to P plus Q. What is P? Symmetric. How a symmetric matrix can be taken, like how I proved in the video, it is A plus A transpose by 2. So we take 1 by 2 outside. Let us write A. 3 5 1 minus 1 plus 3 5 1 minus 1. So it becomes 1 by 2 outside. 6 6 6 minus 2. So it becomes 3 3 3 minus 1. Now, is it a symmetric? Yes, even if you take transpose, it is a symmetric. Now, what is Q? Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric, that is A minus A transpose by 2. So 1 by 2 of A. 3 5 1 minus 1. 3 5 1 minus 1. It becomes 1 by 2 of 0 4 minus 4 0 minus 1 plus 1. So it becomes 0 2 minus 2 0. Is it a skew symmetric? Yes. When you take transpose of this, you will get minus Q. Okay. Now, let us check whether P plus Q is giving our answer or not. Let us see. What is P plus Q? P is 333 minus 1 plus 0 2 minus 2 0. That is 3 5 1 minus 1, which is our required answer. The same way you can do it for 3 by 3 matrix also. Okay. See, let us do for 3 by 3 also. P is a symmetric and you have to write it as P plus Q. P is symmetric. Symmetric is 1 by 2 of A plus A transpose. Okay. So 1 by 2 of A. 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 plus A transpose 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Okay. Now it becomes 1 by 2 of, add them, 12 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 6. Now you will get it as 6 minus 2, 2 because 1 by 2, no, you have to divide with all the numbers. Minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. So you get P. Now let us go with Q. Q symmetric. What is Q symmetric? 1 by 2 of A minus A transpose. Okay. So 1 by 2 of, I am writing a little small. 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3, minus 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 3. I think you get 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. No doubt it is a, even if it is a 0 matrix, it is a skew symmetric only. So let us do whether you are getting P plus Q as A. So P got the same thing if you observe carefully. So it is nothing but A. Okay. So by fortunately your A is symmetric matrix itself. If you see carefully, I told you how to write example. These elements are here and this element is here, and these elements can be anything. Okay. See the last two questions, 11th and 12th. In 11th, they told that A and B are symmetric matrices. Then what about AB minus BA? Let us check. So let us take the transpose. So it becomes AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. But as according to the definition of this, it becomes B transpose A transpose and it becomes A transpose B transpose. But B transpose is B according to the condition they have given. It becomes AB. And you can take minus common, AB minus BA. See, if any transpose of a matrix is negative of that matrix, then it is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now here, look here. You are given A plus A transpose is I. Okay, let us do. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha, plus cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha is equal to I means 1 0 0 1. Let us add them. 2 cos alpha 0 0 2 cos alpha equal to 1 0 0 1. So if you equate the corresponding elements, cos alpha is 1 by 2, alpha is 60 degrees. Is the option there? Yeah, it is there. It is pi by 3. That's for the exercise. In the next video, I'll upload the next exercise videos.